wonderful event. It's an honor to have you all here, especially the presence of Councilwoman Porsche Middleton.
I asked if I could be a part of the event. No one asked me, I was invited, so I want you to know I was prompted. I was prompted to say this is a woman that I want to support and stand behind.
As someone who's pro-business, pro-real estate development, and deeply entrenched in low-income housing, I will endorse Councilwoman Porsche Middleton. Let's give her a round of applause.
I'm Porsche Middleton, a council member in Citrus Heights, second term on the council, and I've been working in housing since I was in college. How can we help? How can we make sure that housing is affordable?
Leave. If you need notary service, make sure to grab her contact. Susan?
Thank you, Nan. Nan's a great friend of mine, and throughout the years I've watched him, grow up from a mediocre environment.
Thank you, Kaizen Capital, for sponsoring and co-hosting this event. Your support for my campaign means a whole lot, and I can't thank you enough.
We appreciate you.